So the book has a couple of different methods for solving first-order differential equations that are not separable. This method is usually easiest for students because it's kind of a plug-and-chug type of thing. So the standard form of a first-order differential equation is y prime plus some p of x times y equals some q of x. So we just have to algebraically rewrite this a little bit. Y prime is going to be y over x, just dividing everything by x to start off. And I'm going to subtract y over x from both sides. Looks like we're there. P of x is negative 1 over x, and then q of x is 5x sine. So now we have in standard form, we've identified p of x and q of x. We need the integration factor, and that is found m of x. That's e with an indefinite integral of p of x dx. So if we do that, let's see, that's e, the indefinite integral of negative 1 over x. That's our p of x. So we can factor out the negative sign. So that's e to the negative natural log x, which is e. If you move that negative sign on the inside, that's x to the negative first, so that's natural log 1 over x. So our integration factor is just 1 over x. So now we can use this formula now that we have everything. I don't want to lose that. There we go, that's better. Okay, so plugging in our integration factor, it's 1 over x times the integral of 1 over x times q of x, which is 5x sine x dx plus c. So that's y equals x times the integral of, when we simplify this is just going to be 5 sine x with respect to x plus c. And factor out the 5. So the antiderivative of sine of x is negative cosine of x, right? Oh, sorry, I don't want to do that yet. 5x. So the antiderivative is negative cosine of x plus that constant c. So if we plug in the initial value information, pi for x, 0 for y, 0 equals 5 pi negative cosine pi plus c. We can solve for that c. And cosine pi is negative 1. Negative 1 makes positive 1. So this is 0 equals 5 pi. So negative 1 makes 1 plus 5 pi times c. So that means in order to solve this equation, c would have to be negative 1. So now we've got everything. This is our solution. Y equals negative 5x cosine x and subtracted by 1. I was going a little too quick there at the end. This is minus 5x, I think, because 5x was distributing to c. So the solution here is y equals negative 5x cosine x minus 5x. It's just getting too lazy. What I should have done is rewritten y. So this is y equals negative 5x cosine x plus 5x times c, and then we plugged in the initial value information. We got negative 1 for c, so that's why this is the final solution here.